What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a price prediction and price analysis on Bloktopia against USDT, abbreviation Blok without a C. I'm looking at it at KuCoin just because most volume is traded on KuCoin and there's a little bit of a history. So yeah, first I want to start off with saying that fundamentally I'm very bullish on Bloktopia. I think Bloktopia right now is at 690 million market cap. But it's in the same kind of sub-industry as Decentraland, the Sandbox, maybe Axie Infinity, and all of those coins have a way bigger market cap than this. So long term, fundamentally, without looking at the technical analysis, I'm very bullish on Bloktopia. I'd also advise you to take a look at their website, take a look at the light paper, I think they call it. It's just very well put together. All the tokenomics also it's really well thought out. So most of the time these coins associated with games and meta ecosystems, they have some sort of inflationary component. But I think they have actually put some things into the light paper, which prevents that from happening. And of course there will be some inflation, but I think they also have some things to deflate that. Or at least to keep up with the inflation. So I definitely advise you to check this out if you want to invest in Bloktopia. But yeah, I do want to emphasize that this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion, and my opinion based on technical analysis and on my experience as a crypto trader. So now let's get into the analysis of Bloktopia. I'm very bullish on Bloktopia because of those whole fundamentals and because we have reached a bull run. Of course, we have seen here at the end of October it had a huge bull run too. But after that it dropped down. It even touched the 200 EMA here at 5.8 cents. And I think right now there's just a very bright future for it and at least a nice uptrend. It might not happen with the same bull run as this, but I do think that we can either from 7.6 cents or in the worst case scenario from 6.7 cents, we can see a move up until at least the 9.8 cents or the 10 cents round number, and that will be the first test. Because if it finds real resistance from the 10 cents or the 9.7 cents, we might see some consolidation and some accumulation before we eventually go into an uptrend. But in my opinion, it is more likely that this small consolidation, so let me show that real quick for you, that will actually break. So finding resistance here at 10.4 cents and then doing a break retest up off of the upper bound of the consolidation, which would be at around 9.5 cents. And from there on out, I think we can start an uptrend. Not quite sure if it will be a bull run such as this one, but I do think that we can reach new all-time highs and at least the high right here. Along the way, I do think we will find resistance at 12 cents or 11.8 cents, and also some resistance here at 13.2 and at 15 cents. But in my opinion, those do not need to be big pullbacks. And to be honest, even something like this can happen. This happens a lot in bull runs with strong resistance areas, that it breaks through and that it actually retests off of it immediately without finding a pullback off of it. So if you see such an area such as 11.7, 13.2, 15 cents, if you see that breaking, so the body of the candlestick closing above it, we are very likely to see an immediate retest off of that level, in which turn it becomes support. But yeah, that's just based on my experience as a trader, and that tends to happen a lot when a big bull run happens. When a more healthy uptrend starts from here, we will find pullbacks here at these areas, which I named before. But yeah, I don't think there'll be big pullbacks, just some pullbacks to create a healthy uptrend, which I think is very good for Bloktopia. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Blok against USDT. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye!